Alright, today let's do the hands-on for storage account encryption. We'll be learning about encryption today. I'll go to storage accounts. I'll click on create in order to create a storage account with the encryption this time. I'll name it like ST storage account encryption, and let's select the storage type. I'll select the blob for this demo, the same backup and archive just for demonstration. I'll choose LRS to save some cost. Now if we go here directly to the encryption, I'll keep everything as default for the simplicity of this tutorial. Microsoft manage keys, if there are basically two varieties if you look in the encryption guide, encryption type. First flavor is the Microsoft managed keys. So here no action is required. Azure automatically encrypts all data at rest. So this is the simplest option. This we have already done in our storage account creation and configuration, which was the basic demo, right? Now let's say if we want to complicate a things bit, that is customer managed keys comes into picture. So here customer managed keys is like the keys are stored in the key vault here, which gives us the control. So let me explain one by one. So I'll keep the enabled blob and files only. We can select all service types as well, whatever is the requirement. So we'll keep this for blobs and files. Now here we need one key vault and a key. So if we don't have a key vault, I'll click on key vault, right? I'll do everything from the scratch. I do have a key vault, but I'll not go with the key vault. Let's say create one key vault. Let's select our resource group, that is RG storage demo. Let's give a name to our key vault, encryption key vault. Amit looks good. Pricing tier is standard, and the region I'll be selecting the same East US, just like my resource group. So I'll click on review and create. I'll click on the create button. So first step is done. We have created key vault. Next will be keys. So let's wait for a while till the key vault is created. All right, deployment is in progress, and the deployment it says succeeded. So this looks good for now. So we are back again to the same page. It will redirect to the same page. And this time, if we look, the key vault, it has taken the new key vault, what we have created now, encryption key vault. Now, if we look here, the mandatory star mark is the key here. So now I'll create one new key as well. Click on create new key. I'll give something like storage account encryption key demo or something like that. The key size will keep as the 2048, the default one. There can be activation start date and end date as well, for how many duration you want to keep it as active, right? For I'll not check this. I'll keep the default settings. I'll click on create. So now if you look, the key is getting created. We are getting step by step. First the key vault, then the key, and third step will be, the next step is the user assigned identity, right? So this one is also done. So mandatory one is done. Now let's user assigned identity. It will ask us to select directly. So what I'll do, I'll duplicate this tab and create one user assigned managed identity. So here in the search bar, let's search managed identity, and here we go, managed identities. Let's click on create to create one user assigned managed identity. Let's select the same resource group. where we have created the key vault and the storage account. Let's give a name to our managed entity. I'll give uh, user managed entity, mi for managed entity, and encryption demo, something like this. So this looks good. I'll keep everything as default now. I'll click on create. So let's the validation got completed. I'll click on the create button now. So now it looks good. It's the deployment is in progress. Let's wait till the deployment gets completed. All right, our deployment got completed. Let's go to the resource. So I'll go to my managed entity, that is user mi encryption demo, which we have created just now. And here, if we look on the left hand side, we have Azure role assignments. So now here lies the trick. We got to add one role assignment. We got to choose the subscription and the scope. So let this a guide. So if I select an identity, so here the scope will be our the basically the key vault, right? So since we have configured previously, right, the key vault and keys, so the scope will be key vault. Now the resource we need to select. So we have just selected this encryption key vault Amit, right? We have created the key vault. So we got to select one resource, and here we need to select the crypto, basically not the officer, but we need the key vault crypto service encryption user. This is sufficient for our tutorial. So let's select key vault crypto service encryption user. So please make sure to select the settings, otherwise sometimes we may get issues while creating the storage account. So I'll click on save. So it's adding the role assignment for my managed entity. So it says role assignment is done. I'll refresh, make sure it's listed here. All right, it's getting listed now. I'll go back to my previous screen now, and here I need to search for my managed entity. So I have created like user mi encryption demo, right? So I'll select this. I'll click on add. Now it looks good. Now if you look here, we have one more checkbox, that is for enable infrastructure encryption. So infrastructure encryption is basically like kind of double encryption for compliance. So for now, I'm not checking this. I'll straight away click on review and create. Validation in progress. Let's wait. Let's click on create now. All right, deployment in progress. If any kind of error, we need to debug it. Hope so. It will get deployed. All right, our deployment got completed. Looks like we are almost done. I'll go to my resource, and under security and networking, we have the encryption here. Let's click on it, and there we go. We can see customer managed keys are there for us. So that's what it concludes this tutorial for storage account encryption. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next lecture.